How to create NFT pixel art collection. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create your very own NFT pixel art collection. And in this video, the methods I'm going to be showing you, and they're going to be completely free, and the tools I'm going to be using are also going to be free, and there is no coding involved whatsoever. So as you can see, it's very easy. So having said that, let's just get on with the video. So as you can see over here in front of me, I have quite a lot of different NFTs, and they're all pixelated, and they're very popular nowadays for some reason, because there's like the aesthetic feel and look to them. That's why they're becoming so popular. And if you wanted to create one, I'm going to show you how. So first, as you can see, let's just look at them. And as you can see over here, this one right here, it's pretty easy. Like, it's really simple. Like, there isn't a lot of things going on over here. So first, what we need to do is we need to find our very own base image. So we can find base images by going over to Google and searching for anything that we want, right? So let's just say that we're trying to create a small little cartoon or something. So for that, let's just search for something over here. Let's just search for cartoons, right? In images, let's go over here. So let's just find a small little cartoon that we can create pretty easily, something that is simple, that doesn't have quite a lot of curves, that is symmetrical as well. Or we can just search for pixel, like over here, guys. As you can see, we have quite a lot of different images, and like this right here, the emoji, or this image right here, or this cartoon which is called the Adventure Time, these are my personal favorite actually. So actually, I'm gonna go ahead and create one. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one actually, because this one looks really nice. All right, so what we need to do is we need to, like, download the image. Let's go ahead and save the image. All right, over here, as you can see, we've downloaded it. Now what we need to do is we need to resize this image, because the size of the NFT are pretty small. Like, they're really small. So we need to, like, go over here on this website, which is called resizeimage.net, and over here we just have to simply upload the image that we downloaded, that we want to convert into an NFT, which is this one over here. Where did it go? Over here. There we go. Let's open it up. As you can see, this is the preview. Now what we need to do now is turn it over here to 31 by 31. Okay, keep this aspect ratio, uncheck this box. You know what, actually keep this to 32 by 32, I think, and this one over onto 21, 32. So this is going to be the size of the image. Now that we have it, let's go ahead and download it as a PNG, and over here we'll have the download button. Where is it? Scroll down. Over here we have to resize the image over here. As you can see, now it's resized, and now what we can do is, as you can see over here, the old image was 880 by 581, now it's 32 by 32 pixels. So all we can do is download this image, right? Download it over here. Let's go ahead and save it. I'm gonna go ahead and 32x32 and save it. Right now that we have our resized image, now what we can do is move on to the third website, which is called pixelart.com. Now over here, this is a free tool that we can use to create pixel art. So over here, as you can see, it's pretty simple. It's really amazing. People are using it to create really a good looking pixel arts over here. What we're going to be doing is using it to create our simple NFT. So what we need to do is we need to sign up or create an account or use it for free. I'm going to go ahead and create an account so that I don't run into any errors later on. So click on create an account over here. I'm going to go ahead and sign up with Google. And after choosing my account, all I got to do is enter in my username, my password, and then my bio and some other details. And that is basically it. So I'm going to go ahead and write my username, Excalibur86, Caliber, not Excalibur. Check the box for terms and services, and then just simply click on accept, and that is basically it. Over here you will be done. You'll have your account ready. But before we do that, let's go ahead and, I don't think we need to confirm our account, so let's just go ahead and start making and creating an art. So over here at the top, we see we have start drawing. Click on it, and over here, let's just skip this. Right over here, what we need to do is create it 32 by 32, since the height of the pixel, right? And once you have done this, all you gotta do is come over here into open image and just open the image that you kept over here. Click on it. Okay, and over here you will have the image. Now what we can do is we can go ahead and outline the image over here by using the pencil button that we have over here. So basically, now that you have over here, what you can do next is you have to create some layers. So layers are going to be what you're going to be copying over it. So you're basically going to create a layer over it, going to copy its outline, and then basically delete everything. So let's go ahead and do that over here. So as you can see over here, we have our layers over here. What we can do next is we can go ahead and add a layer over here. So add the layer. So to add the layer, all you got to do is click on this button over here, click on add, and as you can see, the layer has been created. Now we can go ahead and get an outline right over here. Let me just copy this one and just simply outline copy it over here. Once we've done that, now what we can do is I'm gonna go ahead and finish all of this up, like create different layers and create outline. So now that we have an outline, we can go ahead and create a new layer, and in this layer we're gonna copy the mouth and eyes, and then in the next layer we're gonna fill in the colors, and then finally we're gonna delete the layer. And I'm gonna go ahead and do all of this, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, I've made an outline and made some eyes and outlines, mouth and everything. Now what we can do is create another layer, as you can see. And over here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill out the colors of this character, such as where's the white, I'm gonna add some white. Where's the skin color, I'm gonna add some skin colors and stuff like that. So let me just go over here and switch to skin tone real quick and see which type of colors are going to be suited over here. Okay, not this one. What about this one? Yeah, this one looks pretty nice. So let's go ahead and give it some fill over here. So I'm just simply filling it up little by little over here, as you can see, and some here, yeah, over here as well. And here we go. Now over here as well, so this is going to be the mouth, right? As you can see, now it looks much better over here as compared to before. Just simply making sure every corner is filled up. Doesn't look pretty awful. I think it looks pretty cute. Yeah, now what we can do next is we can fill out this one, right? We can go ahead and switch to default and get the white one, get it white over here as well, some white over here as well, over here, over here, over here, over here. Okay, now as you can see, I haven't filled it out over here because I'm gonna go ahead and add some darker colors over here to make it look a little bit more pleasing. So over here we have some gray. Where's the light white? So we're gonna go over to simple, and over here we got some gray colors. We'll add some grays over here, try to make it more pleasing over here. And this area right here, this one and this one over here, and this, and then I'm gonna add another dark layer over here. Yeah, I think it looks pretty nice now. We'll go with this one over here. Yeah, I think it looks pretty cool now. Why does this one look pretty different? Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3 over here. Okay, 1, 1. Okay, so let me just fix this real quick. Okay, so yeah, it looks pretty nice. Yeah. Now what we can do next is we can go ahead and delete the base layer real quick. And once we've deleted the base layer, we're gonna delete it over here. Delete layer. Why isn't it deleting? Also, we need to move this layer down, right? As you can see, the outline should be above and then the base. And what we need to do is we need to delete this layer. Can we duplicate it? Yeah. Okay, so now that we have our NFT ready, this is how you basically create it. Now, as you can see, deleted the layer, deleted the outline a little bit, made it more cleaner looking, right? This is how it is. So if I preview it right over here, so this is the inline, right? Okay, so this is the outline and this is the colors, and then this is the the layer. Now what we can do is go ahead and download it, right? As you can see, the height is 32 by 32. Download as PNG over here, export layers as well, and then just simply download it. And then over here you have download drawing, like you can download it as many times as you want, and you can create your very own collection as well. So that is basically it, guys. That is how you create your NFT pixel art collection the easy way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.